Good morning from Hampi, and the day starts now at 10 o'clock. Breakfast done, and we started exploring now. So, the first place which we are visiting is, yes, starting with Ganesha.
Exploring Hampi needs at least a week. It's that big.
This is the top view of Virupaksha temple. So, this is from the hill top.
పంచలోహాలతో చేసినాడు. ఇది నైవేద్యకి. దీనిపైన మా వానరులకి భోజనం ఇస్తారు.
Heading back to room now. So, we have covered almost like 50% of Hampi, and we are exhausted. Just had lunch here at Happy Hampi Cafe. It is good, pure veg but very good. Heading to room for some rest, and then most probably we'll go for a sunset in the evening. Heard that Hampi sunset is very beautiful, so we'll be going in the evening. Covering Hampi is impossible. It's 24 kilometers radius. Hampi. If you want to roam complete Hampi, then it will take almost 2 to 3 months. So that's how big it is. We have just covered the main section. This is the place where we are staying in Hampi. This is the entrance. It's a farmland. Parking. It's a big land, big open space. You have ample of parking, and we are heading to our room. It is very dirty, not ugly, but it's bikers boys room. Heading to sunset point. I think sunset will be around 6:30, and we have to see if we are lucky enough to witness one of the best sunsets in Hampi. We reached top of the hill, and this is the view. That's the temple, Virupaksha temple. This is the This is the market, and that is the Tungabhadra river. The view is amazing, but the only thing is, exactly at the place where sun sets, it's raining. We actually went like that to the chariot, but if we walk this way, it is very long, but the temple is huge and big. Good morning from Hampi. We have started from Hampi towards home. It's the day 5 today. No, day 6. Kado, come in. So the time right now is 11:10, and we started from our stay in Hampi. So yeah, the temperature is 27 but feels like 30 plus. It's humid. Our faces were burnt yesterday. Even after applying moisturizer and sunscreen, we got skin burns. It's that strong. I don't know if how it will be in summer. Hampi in summers is, I think, deadly. ಇದೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. It is below the ground, right? But no one is there. Hyderabad home destination is almost 780 kilometers, and it will take 8 hours to reach home as per Google. If you are planning to travel Hampi from Hyderabad, never go via Raichur route. You will find a lot of villages, speed breakers, and a lot of people on the road. It's better to take the Kurnool Ballari route. అరే మొత్తం 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 వచ్చి కూర్చోవాలి లోపలికి. Stopped here at Lepakshi for lunch at 3:30. We did not have breakfast in Hampi. We directly came here. We were rushing like crazy. The roads were horrible till Kurnool. So from here the roads will be completely 4-lane. Now we can sit aramse and cruise. ఆడేం రాసిందో చూసినావా? కాదు, దాని పక్కన అటువైపు వెళ్ళు. I and Kranti were craving for this chai in this trip, and finally we got here at Lepakshi. Irani chai. Only a Hyderabadi person can understand the feeling.
Even like chai untadi.
Their normal tea is elaichi tea.
water I don't.
Watery, sugary elaichi chai. We were asking plain chai, but still they used to give us elaichi chai. This place is very good. Good place to have food, rest. It's just before the toll gate near Kurnool. So on the way, if you are going towards Hyderabad, then it's before the toll gate. If you are coming from Hyderabad, then it's after toll gate. Final 220 kilometers, and this will take 3.5 hours. And the trip of actually 6 days, we have completed it in 5 days. And this is the surprise end for us. Rain. Some beautiful sunset happening. That side it's yellow whitish, and here it's pinkish color. I can see a lot of colors in the sky now. Black, pink, orange, red. Reached Hyderabad ORR service road, and now it is gonna take another 1 hour to reach home.